What's up, world? Welcome to One Oscar's Way in Maynard. Check out this beautiful backyard. It's perfect to entertaining, yet you're so close to everything. Sit out on that beautiful back deck and hang out in the summertime. Now, come on in. We'll take you right inside. This lot offers 4 parking spaces as well as a 2-car garage. And to be honest, you could probably fit a lot more cars in here if you wanted to. Now, as we get inside this property, it gets even better. So come right in. And here we are inside this house. Now come right in, and here you have a living room. I mean, this place is gorgeous. You got the fireplace right behind me. Great recessed lighting. So as you walk over here, you got a formal dining room that leads out to that deck we showed you earlier in the beautiful backyard. Perfect for entertaining. And now we're gonna go right into the kitchen.
Welcome to this beautiful kitchen where you have stainless appliances and you can cook while you entertain your lovely guests. Right next to me you have the family room where the kids can play. You have the half bathroom leading to a 2-car garage.
Here we are downstairs in the basement, and the beautiful part is you have additional finished space. Right over here as you come in, you got a bonus room which can be used as an office, so you could do all your work nice and quiet. Now we're going to see the rest of the unit. So as you come over here, you got an additional huge bonus playroom. You can make this an entertainment or even a movie theater. I mean, this room is huge. Here we are upstairs. There's 4 bedrooms, including a master suite up here. Over here, you got a full bath with his and her sink. And right behind you, you have 3 bedrooms. So 1, 2, 3. Now follow me to the master suite. And here we are. This beautiful master suite has recessed lighting, another full bath with his and her sink. And over here you got the walk-in closet, which is everybody's favorite. I mean, you could literally walk in. But there's another great bonus of this property, which I'll show you right now. To the left, you have this huge unfinished space that you could finish and extend a master or make a bonus room or a playroom. Here we are on this beautiful fall day, hanging out on the deck, overlooking the backyard, and we'll be here this weekend as well.
Come hang out with me this Saturday and Sunday from 11:30 to 1. And also don't forget to check us out at dna-realty.com.
See you here soon.